So the demonstration for tonight is, someone sent me an email recently asking about using tweezers for sewing. So Danny's going to switch, I think we'll do the overhead camera first, Danny, and then I'll move over to the sewing machine. So obviously tweezers come in different brands and different iterations. These are the So Easy tweezers, just a metal tweezer, and it's helpful for several different things in sewing, but I find it most helpful for sewing through curves or corners of a bag, because lately I've been feeling a little apprehensive of using my fingers, especially since they're so close to the needle. So you can use these tweezers for holding the fabric, and you can also use it as a stiletto to hold the fabric down if you're not kind of pulling the fabric away. So I'm going to move over to the sewing machine. Actually, before I do that, let me share my little, this is just a little fabric sample that I prepared with several curves. I pinned these before the show, and I'm just going to use the tweezers to demonstrate sewing through the curves and how the tweezer helps to hold and pull the fabric if you need to. So I'm gonna jump over to the sewing machine really quick, and I'm just going to start sewing, and I'm going to use the tweezer. And if you've ever seen me sew in my videos before, you'll see me also, as I'm sewing through the curve, I might stop once or twice and sort of smooth out the fabric. I might kind of pull it out of the way so I can get a nice smooth sew through the curve. Okay, so my previous habit was kind of using my fingernail or finger to kind of hold the fabric away. Obviously you want the fabrics to be right sides together, and so I'm just going to go ahead and use the tweezers to kind of pull the fabric into place as I'm sewing. And as I mentioned, because I'm sewing through a curve, I generally like to make sure the layers that are coming up in front of the needle are nice and smooth, so I'm not sewing over a pucker. So the tweezers are super nice for getting everything held nicely in place. And as I'm coming through the second curve, I'll show you how it can also be used kind of like a stiletto, kind of like holding the fabric down as you're sewing through the curved area. So either way, whatever you're more comfortable with. I kind of personally like using it to kind of pull and tug that fabric into place, because it's really, actually it does a really good job of holding it in place. And also because this edge of the tweezer is so thin, you can get really close up to it before you need to move it out of the way. So as you can see, yeah, it does a really good job. Okay, one more. Let me just go through one more curve. All right, so these are tweezers. Like I said, you can find different iterations. You might even have some in your home already, and there's a link in the description in case you're interested in checking out that particular set. So before we get over to